Hey guys, so today at my volunteering space that I'm in here at Casa de los Niños de Agua, I'm cleaning out the reception area. So right now I'm just dusting off all these oils. They smell amazing. So this is where I'm going to be for the next month or so. Every morning we get up and do a salutation to the sun. Set our intentions for the day. And then we do what we call karma yoga, where we clean, do something productive around the property. And then after that we do about an hour of volunteer exchange. So I do content creation here. Be doing that, and after that we're free. After 12 we have lunch, and then I'm free to do whatever. So it's a very beautiful exchange. Yeah, if you're interested in volunteering here, experiencing traditional ceremonies, ceremonies, aesthetic dances. Here's your place. Ay, may cabrón. Venga. There's two puppies here that look like my dog at home. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this and check it. Hi my loves. So I'm about to do laundry, hand wash, back in my village girl era. Finished work this morning, so I have some free time. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do my laundry because it's been a minute and I honestly haven't done laundry since Costa Rica. I did a little bit, but not much. So I'm gonna put this up a little bit. Hi. That's not a cute angle. Let's see. Welcome to my travel life where I'm washing my clothes and stuff. It's lovely. I love it. I love living a simple life. I am spending the day editing videos, so hopefully some things will be up today. We'll see. So yeah, if you're watching this another day, yeah, okay. Y'all, I have so many videos that I just haven't put together yet. I have so much stuff to share, so much. But like, it's just been hard, like getting around and then kind of like just having to just keep going. Like, traveling is not easy. That's one thing that like I wish more people knew, is like it's not easy. It's draining, it's tiring, it can be stressful at times, you know, like especially in a country you've never been. Like, you really have to trust yourself, you really have to trust your instincts, you really have to communicate, you really have to like not be afraid to ask questions, you have to, like, it's a lot. And so I've just been really kind of focused on just getting to where I need to be. But yeah, okay. I need something to, I think actually. Oh, there's a big spider on there. Oy. I'm gonna set you guys here for a second. Get off. Spider. I think that's way too. It's a fun angle. That's still way too much. Okay. My stuff, I think I need more. God, that's dirty. I have been in the jungle for like 2 weeks, to be fair. I don't know how to do this actually, so I think this is what you do. Normally, I just like definitely village area. Gonna get a thumbnail. Back here. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna finish doing this and then I'll see you guys when I see you. I'll see you when I see you. Alright, all finished. We got clean clothes, now we're gonna take them to hang dry in the sun. Okay. So I just wanna show you guys the structure. Okay. There's like a highway right there. I'm so sorry, but look at this. Casa de los Niños. There's supposed to be like water flowing through here, but look at this. This is stunning architecture, like absolutely divine. Like words can't explain. Like, I want my house like this. And there's like a double staircase. There's one on this side, one on that side. And then once you go up, we have this structure here. Like a big circle. Like, the camera cannot do it justice, but this is where I'm staying. Yeah, so this is where I'm staying in Mexico for a month. Metamorphosis. This is the architect's Instagram, if anyone wants it. La Casa de los Niños de Arte. There's reception, which is where I was working earlier. Lots of things. Lots of jewelry, sacred jewelry, pipes, peace pipes, drumsticks, clothes. Plant-based restaurant. Oh, that's pretty.
It's closed. It's here.
No. Lord de Hikuri. Sounds good too.